Okay, today's video is for the RYOBI air inflator. I recently purchased this from Home Depot, and it was for sale. I got it for, I think it was 20 bucks, but I think their actual price is a little higher than that. Okay, so we're gonna just see how this looks, and I'm also gonna show you how it looks when you put air in the tire, and yeah, it's nice. There's your manual kit. Okay, so basically this is going to come with 3 adjustable fittings, which are right here. Okay, and that's one of them. Here's the other. Okay, so you have to get your own 18 volt for these because it doesn't come with it. And I had already purchased one previously because I have a weed whacker, and you have to get a RYOBI 18 volt in order for it to work. And then you just, you know, and and it comes on like this. I have a video I'm going to put with this video. It shows you how it inflates into the tire and how it reads the pressure. Oops. Oh shit. Oh shit. I got neighbors next door, so I gotta try to keep it quiet. So, alright, I hope you, and I know this is a short video, but again, I'm not sure what you might use these for here, but there's like 3 adjustable parts on this. And yeah, I actually have another one I purchased from Home Depot. It's the one you put into the lighter of the car, and the only difference is this one is fatter, and the other one I have hubcaps where I can't get this in. So that's the only thing I don't like about it, but it's a lot faster than that one. So I highly recommend this. I'm sorry, my voice is just cracking right now, but I highly recommend this. I paid, it was on sale. I paid $20 for it. And I think the highest price is like $40, I think. I'm not sure, but anyway, I hope you liked this video. And I tried to make this as short as I could, but give you pretty much all the details. So, okay, thank you for watching. Okay, we're gonna try and see how this thing works, to give you an idea how it. Okay, right now it says, actually, it's not telling me the pressure just yet. is. I don't know. Okay, there it is. It says 26 is the pressure. 26.5. And I gotta have 32 pounds in this tire. So there we go. Wow, that works pretty good. There we go. This thing's a champ. It goes a lot faster than the one I plug into the battery. A lot faster. Oops. And there it is. I also forgot to mention, this is also in a box. It pretty much gives you all the tools that RYOBI has. And it's like 40 volt tools, or over 50 40 volt tools. Look at all these tools. So if you're a RYOBI fan like myself, you can get this. Battery is obviously going to power a lot of this stuff. Alright, so thank you for watching. Go and get it.